Hello, good day.
Hello, good day. How are
What
you?
about you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about
We are fine.
What are your hobbies?
I love playing sports and video games.
Which school do you read?
My school name is Sare Public School, Bahawalpur.
And which position do you got in this school?
I'm new, so
And what is your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing cricket and football.
Okay.
Do you know?
What is your
do-
father name?
My father's name is Dr. Muhammad Rafiq Shahid, who is senior scientist in Cotton Research Institute.
Nice. Which subject do you like?
Uh, I like English.
Okay.
What are your favorite dish?
Biryani. And which family do you belong?
I belong to Jham family.
Okay. What is your hobbies?
playing sports and video.
How many color do you like?
Colors black and white.
Which car do you like?
Which car? BMW 7 Series.
Nice. And what is your favorite colors?
My favorite color is yellow and white.
Okay. Are you enjoying these classes?
Yes.
And what about you? Are you enjoying these
Yes,
classes?
I